Hello everybody, welcome to Astraeakeva. I'm Ao. This is day number 187 of my 365 days of art, and in today's video all I did was paint some old sketches of eyes I did for another video a while back. So that counts as my art of the day. I actually stopped midway after hearing one of my favorite artists passed away. His name is Kim Jung-gi, and I just ended up just not painting at all. I just kept thinking and watching old YouTube videos about him and all of that. Kim Jung-gi is someone who encouraged me like through his work, and I would watch his work, and I was planning on taking some of his workshops and online classes because he likes to draw everything. He likes to draw people and objects, and he has such a vast visual library. I really looked up to him, so it was a real impact on me. Our emotions also impact our output and the work that we do, so I just didn't feel like it, but I pushed through it and I decided to finish with a painting instead. But anyway, I don't want to talk too much in this video. I'm just going to leave it as it is, and I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you all have a fantastic day, everybody. Bye-bye.